The following is a station editorial.
This is Holland Redfield. The challenges we face as a nation and as a territory are mind-boggling and all but impossible to comprehend. There's no simple answers. These issues vary from social issues that eat at our basic societal fabric to the unprecedented economic problems we face in the world today. Let there be no mistake that with all that is going around us, it is essential we redefine ourselves as a people and as a territory, and that we map out a direction which can assist us in overcoming these negative challenges and give our territory a firm foundation. This vehicle is the drafting of a constitution that is fair and equitable, one that is balanced and inclusive. Our Constitution can either bring us together as a people or divide us. Although there is language in this current draft that we take exception to, we see the present tension and discord in the drafting of this Constitution as a byproduct of work in progress. And this is why we have not taken the position for or against the present draft or the proposed Constitution. However, we will speak to the issue of methodology by which the delegates have arrived at their final conclusions. We have observed abstentions on controversial votes, which has become a pattern. Under parliamentary procedure, abstaining is generally used only to resolve conflicts of interest, not for attempting to appease both sides of an issue. One should feel comfortable in taking a stand. And clearly, there are several big contentious issues, such as the definition of a native Virgin Islander, and by extension, who is eligible to run for the governor of the Virgin Island. There is also issues of proposed property tax exemptions based upon the place of birth, and concerns about the document that overreaches and attempts to use the Constitution as an instrument to legislate that clearly belongs under the purview of the Senate. Let's not let the 5th Constitutional Convention slip away from us. There's been many hours of dedicated work put into this convention, not to mention over $500,000 spent to date. The delegates to this convention have an awesome responsibility to finally arrive at a constitution that we can all be proud of. That means the delegates cannot be weak-kneed or faint of heart, but must stand up and be counted. It is ultimately going to be the collective wisdom which will recognize and respect the social, economic, and political diversities of this community. Defining us as a people goes to the very soul of our territory, and the emotions run high. The process could be interpreted at times as cumbersome and divisive, but ultimately through the principles of a democracy. The many cannot be dictated by the few, be it within the convention walls or when presented as an end product that will be accepted or rejected by the people of the Virgin Islands. We wish the delegates Godspeed and the patience and courage to move forward. The people of the Virgin Islands are counting on you and deserve no less.
Please email your comments to our editorial department. Our email address is editorial@viradio.com. Please include your name and other contact information.